Hello and welcome to my lymphatic drainage massage nighttime routine. All we need is our fingers and a face oil. Start with a towel dried face after using a cleanser of choice. I'm using Juicy Chemistry's argan oil because I love its semi thick consistency for my purpose. I hope you follow along with me here. After we've put our hair out of the way, with our hands, we gently will press oil onto the neck and the face. Keeping the pressure on our fingers very light, we'll drain the face, the neck, front and back, and the ears. I'm having a headache and dizziness as we speak, so really counting on this myself. Just above the collarbone, you'll find a soft tissue cavity. If it's not obvious to you, you can move your head around like this and locate the dip right along this muscle here. Press this area with light fingers to stimulate it, which will allow the lymph flow. If you have active congestion right now, you'll feel some fluid moving downwards at the back of your throat. Let's do this for another 30 seconds or so. You can also cross your hands like this for better control, and if you pause for a moment, you'll surely feel some fluid traveling down the back of your throat. Now hold your chin at an angle you can spell out your jaw precisely. Holding your fingers like this, place your jaw between them and move along the edge towards your ears a couple of times. Next, let's move specifically to these 2 points, one behind the earlobe and one right in front of it, and stimulate these 2 points, moving in circular motion for about 10 seconds each. And then pull down the fluid moved here downwards. Holding our fingers like this, we wrap them behind our neck and slowly move downwards for about 45 seconds, just like we did earlier. Now we tie our hair and look cute for the next step, which is the face. Using the tip of your middle finger or the second knot of the first finger, move along the base of your cheekbones. Now take your ring finger right around the side of your nostrils and start with smaller circles. Then move upwards like this. This is going to clear out your sinuses. Then move upwards right along the side of your nose towards under the brow and finally to the temples, where we'll again move in circular motion. Here with 3 fingers, we'll release the tension that we will throughout the day, and that will open up our jaw as well. The lymphatic system is one of the important parts of the immune system. What may feel like excessive pressure on the head or some kind of tension buildup in your facial muscles can be caused by poor functioning of the lymphatic system. Now again with the ring finger, we'll move along the eye socket. This massage is an excellent way to remove waste and debris from your cells. Excess proteins from tissue return to the bloodstream, preventing tissue swelling. And doing this in the long term, the puffiness around the eyes will reduce as well. We move to the brows with gentle pinches. This one's gonna feel so good. Remember, the key here is gentle, easy and gentle. Before covering the entire face, what I like to do is to wake up my face with gentle taps like this. Then I'll brush my crown slowly like this, digging well with light pressure in circular motion a few times. Now hold your fingers in this rhombus-like shape, placing the thumb just below the chin and sliding the first finger across the face like a windscreen wiper. Really slowly move all the fluid in the face towards the ear. Finally, let's move to the ear, gently pinching and tugging it if that feels good. I love this part. You can also place your index finger into the top part of the ear and move in circular motion. Let the cartilage make that cracking sound and relax you. To me, this feels a lot like ears getting their daily stretches in. It would be a good idea to remove the jewelry first, though. Now, holding the first two fingers in V, let's move the fluid to our collarbones a couple times. Again, let's repeat what we did to the nape of the neck earlier. And finally, a few strokes down the collarbone with some gentle tapping. Through this process, we've created a lot of healing energy in our hands. Let's rub our hands together to create some heat and intentionally speak good lymphatic health into existence. Cup your hands and place them over your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and receive the positive energy. The best thing about this massage is that you can do it from the comfort of your bedroom. I used to do it thrice a week, but life happened and I forgot all about it. But now, because of you guys, I'm going to try and do it every day for the next 2 months, and then I will upload the results. If you enjoyed this lymphatic drainage massage, then please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos on holistic living and feminine health. And I also run a parallel newsletter called The Feminine Alchemy, where I talk about spirituality, divine femininity, dating, ancestral wisdom, and a ton of other things. And if you're into all of that, then you can check it out. The link is in the description, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.